Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DSP and Telecom Lab. I, Engineer Mohammad Zohaib, in charge of this lab. DSP and Telecom Lab focuses on providing students knowledge and hands-on experience in the field of telecommunication and signal processing. In this lab, various elective courses of telecommunication are being offered like signal and systems, analog communication systems, satellite communication, wave propagation and antenna, wireless and mobile communications, digital signal processing and many more. Telecom Lab is equipped with advanced and state-of-the-art equipment and training kits like ACS training systems, which focuses on basic analog communications such as oscillators, low-pass and high-pass filters, amplitude and frequency modulations, etc. Also, DCS training systems includes data formatting techniques, PWM, PCM, amplitude and phase shift keying and many more. Telecom Lab has satellite communication trainer which includes transmission of audio, video and data signals through satellite link and reception on downlink receiver. Also DSP kits for digital signal processing applications. We have transmission line trainer which contains modeling of transmission line losses, fault analysis and line parameters. Lab has NI-USRP software defined radio which is a reconfigurable radio having a wide range of RF applications and which can also be used for research purposes as well. We have some other equipments like RF communication trainer, microwave trainer, optical fiber trainers and training kits, GSM module, telecom exchange, DTMF trainer, baseband trainer and many more. For observation and analysis, Telecom Lab has LCR meter, digital oscilloscope for measurements and observations of signals. We have spectrum analyzer for analysis and observations of various ranges of wireless spectrums. Students have familiarized with this equipment by hands-on working during lab and can also utilize them in their projects and research as well. As far as software platforms are concerned, Telecom Lab has acquired different licensed softwares like National Instruments LabVIEW, which can be linked with USRP SPR, through which various RF applications can be designed. MathWorks, MATLAB have coding and simulating features for designing many applications. Satellite communication software have selection of data bits pattern to be transmitted and received. GSM software comprises of dialing, attending calls, send or receive SMS indications and many more. Code Composer Studio is interconnected with DSP kits to build DSP related applications. All these things happened under the expert supervision of lab instructor along with lab staff to address students' queries. We welcome you all to be a part of this university and explore the knowledge in the field of telecommunication engineering. So let's discover knowledge together.